If you're a beginner to DSLR video and you're looking for an affordable, high-quality tripod, then stay tuned. This is my review of the awesome Magnus VT4000 video tripod. For such a low price, currently under $150, the Magnus VT4000 is the best budget tripod for videos, in my opinion. This is the tripod that I use for all my YouTube videos. Now let's quickly go over the tripod and then I'll talk about my favorite feature that makes it the best in its price range. This is an easy to use, sturdy aluminum tripod. It's pretty lightweight, weighing less than 8 pounds, and it can be collapsed to a pretty small size for increased portability. It does come with its own travel bag, which is nice, even though it is a pretty tight fit. The tripod height can be adjusted from 27.6 inches to 59 inches using the two-step leg locks to lock it in at the height that you want, so you can make it short or tall, however you want it. The rubber feet on the bottom of the legs can be rotated to reveal these small spikes in case you are shooting outdoors and need more stability. Now, the best part about this tripod system is the fluid head that comes with it. The fluid head is what makes it the best for shooting video because it provides buttery smooth pan and tilt movements that can really make your video stand out and get to that next level. Now, even though it doesn't have tension control to adjust the resistance like more expensive tripods do, it still has a pretty good amount of resistance for both panning and tilting. Here are some sample shots that were taken with the Magnus VT4000 fluid head, and I cannot believe it's not butter, baby. It even has a built-in counterbalance to improve the smoothness even more. It also has locks for the pan and tilt, so you can lock the head at any position that you want, which comes in handy when shooting videos. Another awesome feature is the ball joint handle that allows you to adjust the entire head and get it perfectly balanced, which you can verify by glancing at the bubble level that is right above it. That is so convenient to have. It also comes with a quick release plate that you can mount your camera on and easily slide onto the head. And it also has a double locking mechanism which will protect your camera from accidentally sliding off the tripod. You'll have to press the little red button in order to get it off. Now, the only thing that I would change about this tripod is the height. I'm a pretty tall guy, I'm 6'4", and I wish this thing would extend to at least 6 feet tall. But other than that, I think this is a perfect tripod for beginners on a budget who are starting to shoot DSLR video, and I highly, highly recommend it.